Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C17 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find personalizations. Of course, give all the permissions the device needs to actually open this section, and here we've got the wallpapers, so let's tap on this option. Of course, agree and continue, allow everything, okay. And as you can see, here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, the local albums, which is basically your own gallery, recently used static wallpapers, and live wallpapers. So let's simply tap on the option I'd like to check, and here we've been transferred to the pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got pretty options to choose from, and all we have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it, and again I have no idea which wallpaper I should use. As always, the same problem every time. Alright, maybe this one. Simply tap on it, and as you can see here, you've got the preview of the wallpaper, and if you like it, simply tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.